This 2020 Vanley Beacon 40FLB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bunker Hill, Indiana, 46914 and is offered for sale by RV Dynasty. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Vanley is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a mocha glaze, English chestnut, amber glaze, white interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.